Have you ever wondered how to make money by just watching ads? Imagine a world where online earning comes from the simple act of viewing advertisements. Intriguing, isn't it? This curiosity can become a reality with FabricPay.com. Well, earning money by watching ads is possible and surprisingly simple, especially on a platform like FabricPay. Start by creating an account on FabricPay.com. Navigate to the website and click on Sign Up. You'll see a simple form asking for basic information. Start by entering your full name and email address. Next, create a secure password to protect your account. Once you have filled out the form, click on Create Account. You'll get a confirmation mail. Just click the link inside to verify your account, and voila, you're all set to start earning. Now comes the fun part, making money. With FabricPay, it is as simple as watching advertisements and getting paid for it. Let's break it down. First off, you will find a variety of ads to choose from. You can select the ones that pique your interest. Each ad has a specific duration, usually ranging from 30 seconds to a couple of minutes. Sit back, watch, and let the earnings roll in. Now, how are the earnings calculated? It's simple. The longer the ad, the higher your earnings. Once the ad finishes, your account gets credited almost instantaneously. You can track your earnings real time on your FabricPay dashboard. And that's it, simple. Earn, watch, repeat. So are you ready to turn your spare time into earnings with FabricPay? You can do that. Simply sign up, tune in, and watch some ads. And voila, you're on your way to make money. It's that easy. No hoops to jump through, no unnecessary complications. Just straightforward way to earn. And the best part, you can do it anytime, anywhere. So what are you waiting for? Start earning on FabricPay today. Turn those ads into source of income and make every second count. Thank you for watching. If you like, share, comment and subscribe.